Every idea begins with a dream. Xlaserlab E3, the world's lightest desktop UV laser engraver. UV light engraves on all materials, bringing imagination to life without limits. Xlaserlab E3 lights up your creativity. Start engraving now. Powered by a coherent UV chip, this core drives the 355 nanometer UV laser with industry-leading stability, delivering micron-level precision. From precision comes color. UV laser engraving reveals brilliant hues on metal, with power to engrave deep and cut clean. One beam for every material, one machine for every idea. Need a 3D model? Sounds challenging. With Edone, easy. Watch your memories come alive, engraved inside crystal. No design skills required, just one photo. E3 makes it real. Cutting with UV, clean, sharp, and burn-free. From large to small, details refined down to 16K resolution. Deep inner engraving reveals every hidden detail, precision beyond the eye. Not just inside, on glass surfaces, UV carves delicate reliefs. Dual camera system, 2 functions in one. One records the engraving process in time-lapse, easy to share with a single click. The other provides visual recognition and precise positioning, powering curved surface modeling and batch marking. Even irregular shapes are precisely scanned and rebuilt in 3D. From single pieces to large-scale production, E3 powers creativity at every scale.